Hi guys, happy Monday. Welcome to week 6. As we've kind of built into our remote learning, we're going to do a quick review of last week. We're going to do a short intro of this week, just so you know what to expect and what we're looking for. So Monday last week, we reviewed week 4. We talked about the check-in and the weekly chat. Again, weekly chat's ongoing. If you have questions that come up as you're working, take a quick second, put something in there. That way you don't forget it later in the week if you need. I have been going in and commenting on everybody's comments. So you'll see a reply from me in red. Anything that you ask or comments that you make, I will reply. Tuesday, we'll do our virtual meeting. So we're on this 2-week cycle where you should be taking pictures and creating some kind of presentation, short video, whatever you're more comfortable with, to share out the progress of what you're doing with your projects, how your projects are developing, and the progress. So make sure you're doing your feedback so that I can see that you're involved. And if you have questions or anything, there's your opportunity. Wednesday, just continue working on that project. Make sure you're documenting it. Okay? Please don't come on and just say, well, I worked on this. You know, everybody can take a picture. You don't necessarily have to do a video. It doesn't have to be pre-recorded. You can all make a Google slideshow, organize your pictures, and then when we do our virtual classes, you have 2 opportunities per week to come in and just share your progress. Again, these projects are something that you chose, okay? And because we're working remotely doesn't mean we can't share with each other, doesn't mean we can't help one another work through the progress. So make sure you're keeping up with those presentations. Every Tuesday and Thursday, we'll do those. So last Thursday was part of that 2-week window. So I'm grading it based on 2 weeks. So you need to make sure you're presenting your progress once in a 2-week cycle. So last week was week 2. So starting tomorrow, we will start our new cycle. So it'll be weeks 3 and 4 together if you look in Skyward. Friday is your time to catch up. Make sure you're doing that weekly feedback for me, your timesheet, so to speak. I am keeping track of things. It's now in Skyward, so you can go in and use that as your checklist to see if you need to catch up on anything. Please know, I do keep track very diligently of whatever week we're in. So if you missed anything from previous weeks, you can go in, get caught up on that. I will give you credit for it, but you need to let me know. So if you missed something in week 2, you can go in, complete it, shoot me an email, let me know it's done. I'll verify it, and I'll update Skyward. As far as week 6 goes, I'll keep up with that as the week progresses, but once the week's over, I won't keep going back and checking those things, so you'll need to let me know. So this week, quick preview, we have our review that we always have a little bit. So if you have questions or missed anything, need some help, make sure you're filling out that feedback form so I can reach out to you and provide you with the help you need. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we'll do our virtual meeting. Again, we'll do presentations if anybody's ready. If you have questions, we can discuss them as a group, or if you need one-on-one, we'll work that out so I can coach you through working through the progression of your project. Wednesday, take some time, work on your project, make sure you're documenting it, organize your presentation so that you can share it out. Thursday will be, again, that'll be our week 1 of our cycle. We're going to share out your progress, where you are. And then Friday, just keep caught up with things. For those of you who are keeping up and remaining engaged and participating, thank you. I greatly appreciate your efforts. For those of you who are falling behind, you can reference your playlist at any time for every week. There are 2 different spots on the playlist where you can reference those, go back, get things caught up. Make sure you let me know when you have it caught up, and I'll go in and I'll check my records and give you credit in Skyward. Guys, have a great week. I'll see you tomorrow. I look forward to hearing how things are going.